Today we have a really cool case. It's really a fast case that we did. One of the beautiful things that we have in our office is the CEREC machine. The CEREC machine allows us to do same-day dentistry, literally same day. You're in and you're out. And on this particular case, this patient's crown was completely done in under an hour. It was a fantastic case. The tooth looked beautiful, and the patient was really satisfied because they had to spend very little time in here. We did our preparation. This was a traditional crown prep where we remove almost 2 millimeters of tooth structure on the top and then 1 millimeter all the way around the side of the tooth. And then we did our scans, our upper jaw scan, our lower jaw scan, our bite to make sure that the bite is absolutely perfect. We use in the software something called a virtual articulator. The virtual articulator allows us to design and how the tooth moves in the patient's mouth. So it allows us to be able to create a situation where they're not going to break or harm their natural tooth structure or the crown that I'm making. So we use the virtual articulator in this situation. We use a special type of material that was beautiful but also strong. This was a very back tooth, but also would mill really quickly, and I'll be able to put it in the patient's mouth really quickly as possible for their treatment. We do not do crowns where we prep, send it off to a lab where we're guessing to make sure that the crown is the right color. We're guessing on maybe what material science they're using. That's not the case in our office. We choose the materials. I design the aesthetics. I design the crown so it fits exactly in the patient and how the patient moves around in their mouth, and we're able to deliver it in a very short time. Come to the Essential Dentist and be a partaker of this wonderful new technology. If you want to, subscribe and see some of our other cool videos. Have a great day.